SafeHouse HS110 wireless gas sensor is suitable for places where natural gas is used. The product detects gases and triggers an alarm in case of a loss. The sensor has a high sensitivity and detects smoke, natural gas and carbon monoxide. When the value of ambient gas concentration reaches 8% LEL, the detector emits an alarm sound and transmits a wireless signal to the compatible alarm system, for example, PNI HS550. When the concentration value drops below 4%, the detector will constantly alarm for another minute before stopping the alarm and will automatically return to the normal monitoring state. Wall-mounted, away from the gas source, the PNI HS110 gas detector is a reliable device without false alarms, with on-screen alarm display accompanied by audible warning and low battery warning function.